Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Janet,
I'm Brian.
and together we are East
West
Picayune.
Yay!
So this will be our introduction to our blog. We have already about 17 episode or blog that's out.
And most of them are filmed here in our studio.
Studio. This channel was originally thought about
Something about you decided to create this channel for
Okay.
your retirement so you would have a hobby.
that's right.
And using this latest technology of this inexpensive camera and this expensive studio background, we come up with this blog.
That's right, and this is actually a good hobby for me because I really enjoy filming and actually learning a new software to edit our videos. And we actually have so many travel videos, travel pictures, right, for all but the 10 years that we traveled together. And we mix a few other things such as cooking, what else? Crazy
Traveling.
things. No,
Janet is the editor, the director, sound person. She does it all. So I'm just kind of like
he's my partner in crime.
I
so
work
to
the
speak.
camera occasionally.
He does, and he is being funny sometimes. Like sometimes, like some of y'all said, it was good improv that he does, and he does. He just come up with something that's funny. But anyway, so we're gonna have travel, cooking, maybe fun facts about New Orleans, which we are based, and of course the beaches. We love the beaches, so we'll probably cover the surrounding county or parishes here in New Orleans, and I don't know what else. Just anything that I can come up with as my topic or my content for this channel.
Well, look, I don't do anything funny, okay?
He doesn't. He doesn't even try very hard, but he is funny. Bye. Well, guess what? Brian is not here anymore. As Lanyap, I'm gonna talk about finances also in this channel. So, don't let him know, okay? This is a Lanyap. Alright? See you guys on our future blogs. Bye!